How to download music on Spotify. First thing you do is open up your Spotify app, and once you open it up, just make sure that you're logged into your account. So, what you want to do first is head over to your library at the bottom, and here you can find a list of your songs or the playlists that you've created. And if you've created a customized playlist of the songs that you want to download, you could just open it up, and then right besides this, you'll find this download button right here. In order to download songs on Spotify, you will have to subscribe to Spotify Premium. So if you want to explore the premium plans, click on Explore, and then here you'll be able to see all of the available plans. So you can start with $0 and you can have up to 1 month free trial. Click on this, just add your card details right here, and once you've done that, you should be able to download songs on Spotify, download musics, and you could also try premium for free. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.